Hi everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Top 5 things to watch in market in the week ahead by Noreen Burke. Investing.com. In the week ahead, investors will be focusing on a speech by Federal Reserve head Jerome Powell at the central bank's annual conference in Jackson Hole for insight on the future path of interest rates. The speech could shake up markets, with the rally in U.S. equities already showing signs of slowing. U.S. economic debt will be in the spotlight as fears over the prospect of a recession linger. Meanwhile, PMI data out of the Eurozone and the UK is expected to point to further slowdowns in business activity. Here's what you need to know to start your week. Jackson Hole. Investors will be eagerly awaiting Jay Powell's speech in Jackson Hole, Wyoming on Friday for possible answer about how high U.S. interest rates may go and how long they will need to stay at 11 levels to bring inflation back under control. The Fed has hiked interest rates by 225 basis points since March in a bid to battle inflation, which is running at the highest in 4 decades. Fed policy markets have reiterated that there is still a way to go in their inflation fight, pushing back on expectation of a peak inflation and a so-called dovish pivot. One narrative that has helped both stocks. Last week's Fed minutes showed that while the size of the September rate hike is still in play, policy markets felt there was little evidence so far that inflation pressures are subsiding. Powell is likely to remind investors that with one more inflation report and another employment report still to come before the September meeting, officials still have time to decide how large that rate hike should be. U.S. debt. The economic calendar for the coming week feature July figure or personal income and spending, which including the personal consumption expenditure price index, the Fed's preferred measure on inflation. In the 12-month through June, the PSE price index advanced 6.8%, the largest increase since January 1982. Other data points include figure on Refi's second quarter gross domestic product, which initially showed a contraction of 0.9%. There will also be report on durable goods, other initial jobless claims, and PMI data for July. Meanwhile, that on new home sales will shed more light on the cooling housing market. Stocks. U.S. stocks have rallied since the start of the second half, boosted by stronger than expected corporate earnings and hopes the economy can avoid a recession even as the Fed hikes rate to curb inflation. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.